The first website that I'm going to share with you is called spyfu.com. This website won't ask you to pay for anything, it's absolutely free. Oh, and if you don't have a PayPal account, simply go to paypal.com and sign up for a free PayPal account. To start, as you scroll down through their webpage, you'll see an affiliate section which is under the Useful Links category. The affiliate part of this website is superb because of the repeating commissions that pays out an astonishing rate of 40%. That means that if you refer someone on this website, you'll get 40% of the amount of the money they paid, and the best part is you won't be doing any hard work at all. So as you scroll down through the page, you'll find additional information about the affiliate programs. So feel free to navigate through the homepage and find out every information. As you can see, you'll notice that they have a 365 days monitoring cookie, which means that in a span of 365 days, if someone clicks on your affiliate link, you'll get paid. What I really like about this program is that you'll be paid twice a month and you can receive your payment via PayPal. Moreover, you can see here that this platform has a turnover rate of 40%, which means that your recurring commissions still hold a true value. I know you want me to stop talking and continue with the money-making process. So moving on, I want you to scroll back up and click on the button that says Start Earning Every Month to get your own affiliate link. But you need massive traffic to make it work for you. To start getting massive traffic, we need to look at these 3 different options currently available on their platform. They have basic, professional, and team plans. The basic plan is the cheapest of the 3. However, there is something you should know, and that's how the professional plan is the best one. Now I want you to consider this. Let's assume you got 10 people and each of them chooses annual professional pricing, and the website will cost you around $7,900. And since you get a rate of 40% of that, you're going to make $3,200 with the 10 people that you referred. Isn't that insane? Since you now have the idea of how much you're going to get using this method, all you need to do now is convince people to click on your affiliate link. I hope you find this video educative and interactive. If yes, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue with the video. To get more traffic, simply visit google.com and type in weight loss in the search bar, and then you'll be redirected to this page that shows various articles about weight loss. Now look for articles on the 2nd or 3rd page of the results, as these websites are not popular. Now let's use this website as an example. You'll want to join them by using the information that you've seen via email as a contact number. Simply contact them and explain to them why they should subscribe to any of the plans. And you can also tell them your suggestions on what's best for them. Through this, you can convince this website to purchase SpyFu services. The second website is called www.infinitesuggest.com. This website is an alternative strategy for creating and generating traffic online. With this website, you'll never lack clients, and you would easily find many more clients as you can just repeat the process over and over again. Do you want to live your best life? Then create the money for it. This video will be perfect to start with. I encourage you to get started as soon as possible so you can achieve your dream goals and objectives. Take action today, and the sky will be your starting point.